Good morning again. What I go this morning is I go take care of our chicken. I go feed them right now. Get them some feeding. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I got to bumble wool, advance, umbrella crumble, half umbrella crumble. What I go feed? What I go chicken them. Hello guys, how are you? Wanna see me? Alright, now what me here is just hold this to me. Hold it like so. Just a few minutes. So let me look at the camera. Alright, so what I learned is basically if they try to even run out, you have for business as long as you have the feeding, they will run straight back in. Let me hear still.
Strong.
Back in. Come on. Come in now. Calm down. Alright. Like how do that? No. I'll change the water. So they can have some clean water if you drink. I'll go do that. Be even more winding. Alright. Change the water and come back down.
Boo! Put on the sticker, man.
Oh, are you? Hey, that phone that came to me. Other one. You don't know what I'm doing rooster now. Can't make it rooster get it. I might just get the water and drink it. Now, I get your water. And second one. Alright, now just we get the water in pan inside. The old turkey them. Hey, what you do? You want to be on my thumbnail? You want to be chicken on my thumbnail? Okay then. I see. Post the camera. Okay, ma'am. Okay, you're doing a good job. Okay. And then chicken here. I'm gonna catch the phone right, yeah. So as I go inside the chicken, water is served. Alright, no chicken again. I advise anybody who wants to make money, start farming, like chicken farming, chicken raising, all of that. Yeah, it's a good idea. If you don't like touch chicken shit though, oh god man, this job is not for you. There's our cock right there. It's one hell of a cock. It's a problem cock. Alright. They have eggs there, so. Ronald! Ronald, come here! Oh god. Push him that way, push him that way. Nigga. Bro, nobody with you running up and down, please. Ain't got back in there. So just done feed the chicken them, refill them water, collect their egg and all of that. Long have a rest in head. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share, like, whatever you want to do. Really help out the small child. Support me a lot and give me motivation. God bless.